Hello there everyone and welcome back. In this video, we're going to cover the Firefly platform. We're going to see all the features Adobe Firefly provides us with. Okay, so how do we get to Firefly? You only need to type firefly.adobe.com on your browser, and it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, this page you're seeing on your screen right now. So go ahead and type firefly.adobe.com and you'll be brought to this page. Now Firefly has 3 plans. Okay, we have the free plan, which enables you create or use the Firefly platform for free without any cost, and we have the premium plans. Okay, now the premium plan enables you to use premium features by paying for them. And we also have a plan that is tied to your Creative Cloud account, okay, your Creative Cloud subscription, and that's the one I'm currently using. It's tied to my Creative Cloud subscription, and I get to have a number of points for using AI. Okay, so whenever I use AI, one of those points get erased. Okay, so now on our Firefly platform, this is what we get to see. Okay, and we get to see this animation here. Now this animation is basically prompt being written. Okay, and if we go ahead and click generate, let me just wait for this one to finish typing, and if I go ahead and click generate, Firefly is actually going to generate this prompt for us. Okay, so generate, and now we're going to see Firefly generate the prompt for us. Okay, so this is the image we got with the prompt we just generated. We can see how good, how realistic this image is, and we can see that this is the prompt right here, and all I needed to do was just hit generate and the image got generated for us. Okay, now this feature is called text to image. This is the text to image feature, as we can see here. Now I'm just going to click here to go back to the Firefly homepage. Now this is the homepage. We can see it right here. We have the community page. If you click on the community page, it's going to show you several artworks that other designers like you have generated, okay, and submitted. So you can actually create your designs, your artworks, your AI artworks, and then submit them to be featured under the community section. So we can just go ahead and see them, and this can be a really great place to gain inspiration. Okay, so we can see really amazing artworks, and we can just click to view the artwork and also the prompt. So we can see this is the prompt used to create this incredible artwork, and you can also click here to try the prompt, and we are going to see other variations with this prompt. Okay, so this is of course text to image also. I'm just going to go back, and now that's the community page, so you can submit your work and you can get inspirations and see the works other people have created using Adobe Firefly. Now we have the favorites, and this is where you save your favorite artworks. Okay, so these have been saved by me, these have been created by me, and I saved them. And we have the about. This will open in a new page, and from here we can go ahead and read about Adobe Firefly. We can get to see more about Firefly, okay, or get to learn more about Firefly, even the features and then the plans. Okay, and then we have the help, where we can go ahead and get help. Yeah, we can go ahead and get help. You can read frequently asked questions. We can search articles and learn how to navigate problems in case we encounter them. Okay, now let's go back to the home page. So right in our home page, we have the Adobe Firefly logo, and we have here, if I just click here, you're going to see this is my account, right? And you can see that I have 990 credits left from my monthly 1000 credits. And we have here where you can submit an idea, you can report a bug, you can join the Firefly community where you can connect with other members, you can learn and you can engage, and you can read Firefly images, which will help Firefly or Adobe improve on their algorithms. And then you can join the Discord group. Okay, that's the discussion forum. Yeah, so this is what you get here. And for here, this will just help you explore what's new. So Firefly is celebrating 1 year of activity. Then we have the other things that got added or got changed. Okay, we're not going to look at this for now. Now that's it for this bar right here. So if you just go down a bit, you're going to start seeing the features of Firefly. Now we have the coming soon, and Firefly is actually a new product in Adobe's collections. So that means it's an improving product. Okay, so it means features will keep being added. So this is one of the features that is going to be added real soon. We have the generative AI and video, which will help us generate audio and video using prompts. Okay, so this is coming soon. And we have now the main features of Adobe Firefly. So this is the first one, the text to image. So this enables us to generate images from text. And we have the generative fill, which enables us remove objects or add new objects on images, as you can see right here. Okay, we have to use the brush tool here to brush out the place we want to remove or add an object to, and it's just going to do that for us. And we have the generate a template, and this works in Adobe Express. Adobe Express is also a new Adobe product, and it's just like Canva. Canva is very popular, so it enables us to do designs and animations quickly for social media. And then we have the generative vector. Now this is generate a vector, and with this we can generate vectors. Okay, we can generate SVGs and bring them to softwares like Illustrator and then work on them. Okay, so we can see an example of what the vector looks like. Yeah, so that's generative vector. And then we have the generative recolor, and this enables us to create color variations for our vector artworks. We can see examples here. And then we have the text effects, which enable us apply styles or textures to text with a text prompt. Okay, so we can see the example here. So it basically creates text for us with selected styles or textures. So these are the main features of Adobe Firefly, but there could be more in the future. Okay, I just mistakenly opened Adobe Express. So that's basically it for the platform Adobe Firefly. Okay, and that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to learn about the commercial use rules of the content we generate on Adobe Firefly. So see you there. Bye bye.